There is a season for everything, even in the heat of summer. Okra. Okra is considered a superfood. It is high in zinc, vitamin A and C, as well as having great fiber content. Be sure to space them 1 to 2 feet apart when planting to give them room to grow. Sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are a delicious, versatile veg and can be made into everything French fried to baked or mashed, just like a regular potato. It is best to plant sweet potatoes in the warm parts of the year, as they are not tolerant to any frost. They take about 85 to 120 days to grow, so planting in the late spring or summer is ideal. Eggplant. Eggplants can be planted throughout the summer up until 14 weeks before your first fall frost. They are full of magnesium, potassium, and calcium, and are also rich in antioxidants. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are an excellent late summer crop and have more varieties than you might think. Sow seeds directly into garden beds and keep the soil moist. Cucumbers can be pickled, put into salads, sandwiches, and more. Harvest time for cucumbers is usually 8 to 10 weeks. Black-eyed peas, also known as cowpeas, these little legumes are an easy crop and are a rich source of fiber and antioxidants. Black-eyed peas grow best when a trellis is available for them to climb on. Squash. Squash is an easy, delicious, and quick crop to grow. Plant seeds anytime from late July to September. Harvest usually takes about 7 to 8 weeks. Pumpkins. It's time to start on your Halloween and Thanksgiving pumpkins. Pumpkins are another easy grower. In Zone 9, it's best to plant during mid-July to August. Harvest time is about 15 to 20 weeks. Don't forget, before planting in ground, improve your existing soil by mixing in compost and other rich organic matter. If you don't have access to compost, we recommend using our 100% organic, people and pet safe soil amendments and fertilizers. All the great organic benefits of composting right at your fingertips. Herbs. Because of the expected heat, it's best to start herbs as a small starter plant if possible. Rosemary. Wonderfully scented, can be used to cook with, is high in antioxidants, and can be used in oils or balms. This plant enjoys full sun and is quite hardy. When planting, space 2 to 3 feet apart as they can grow to be quite large shrubs. Basil, a popular herb for a good reason. It's great to top pizza or make fresh pesto with. See John's Family Pizza and Pesto recipes here on our YouTube page. It is high in vitamin K and A and carries high levels of antioxidants and antibacterial properties. When planting, choose a spot that gets medium sun and fertile, well-draining soil. Oregano, a hardy and drought-resistant herb. Oregano has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties and is a delicious addition to many dishes. Thyme. Thyme prefers full sun and well-draining soil. It is a flavorful, anti-inflammatory herb and is often used to season poultry, veggies, and soup.